welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be adding some lemon decor to the living room and the entryway area. If you missed my previous video, I think a couple videos ago, I did one all about adding lemon decor into our kitchen and dining area. So in case you missed that, I will have it linked both in the cards and in the description box below. So join me today and let's do some decorating. Okay, my friends, we are going to start off with my entryway table. This is one of my favorite spaces to decorate in my home for every season. So you'll see me do a quick wipe down of pretty much all the areas we're going to decorate today. No deep cleaning or anything, just basically dusting off the surfaces, and then we're going to start styling it with my summer lemon decor. So here on the entryway table, I've been keeping things a little more simple. So I'm adding this lemon table runner. I picked this up at Home Goods 2 or 3 years ago. I can't remember when exactly I started doing my lemon decor, but it has a really pretty lemon print and it has a few honeybees on it, which you'll see some honeybee decor woven in with my lemons as well. For example, this candle holder that I'm adding next to the lamp, that has a honeybee on it, and that's from Hobby Lobby. Okay, it is time to style my tier tray for summer. So this tier tray itself is from Hobby Lobby. I think they may still have it, I'm not sure. It's a pretty standard size, 2 tiers with a metal handle and like the wooden trays. But most of my tiered tray decor that I have came from Hobby Lobby. A couple pieces I think maybe from the Target dollar spot. So if you have any questions on any of the pieces I'm using in today's video and you want to know where they're from, just shoot me a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back with you if I can remember where the pieces are from. So if you know anything about me, I love styling tiered trays. I don't know if they're still like in style or not, but I still put out a tiered tray pretty much year round and style it for every season. So I just love collecting unique pieces and kind of changing it up from year to year. For example, last year I styled my metal 3-tier white metal tray, and it's much larger than this one, and that was really fun to style. But I've been really into the more like rustic look of this tray itself with the warm wood tones and the metal. So that's why I've been using this one lately. Also, it requires much less effort to decorate this one because it's so much smaller. So I've added all the things on the top that I want to add, and then I'm going to fill in with this like draping succulent pick. These are from the floral section at Hobby Lobby, and I first used these last year, and I just love the way it looks with the lemon decor. For summer, I really love that bright yellow and then very vibrant greens. No like subdued tones. I really like going full in with a bright greenery for the summer months. I decided to kind of speed up all the films of me cleaning in today's video, but then really slow down the decorating portions so you can see in real time how long it's taking me. Of course, I do pre-practice a lot of this decorating. That's just how I like to plan it out. If I didn't, it would take hours and hours and hours to film these videos. And, I kind of have to fit these in to my busy schedule with a toddler at home, and I do work part-time as well. So I do practice. So don't feel bad if you can't decorate this fast. Like, I don't think anybody can. But yeah, I do practice my decorations before, and then you're just seeing me put it all together in real time here. I love the little bicycle wooden sign that I have on the bottom of this tray. I picked that up from Hobby Lobby this year, and you'll see that the bicycle motif is going to carry its way through my 4th of July decor as well. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing that video very, very soon. So stay tuned for some patriotic decor inspiration. Okay, so we're going to move on to the bottom of this entryway table. The table itself is from Hobby Lobby, by the way. So I'm going to be keeping that original basket you saw on there, and I'm going to be adding this pillow. This is just a $5 Walmart outdoor pillow, and I bought a set of 4 of these lemon pillow covers on Amazon. If you get the 16 by 16 pillow covers, they go over the $5 Walmart pillows perfectly. So it's a good hack. An easy and affordable way to switch up your pillows for the seasons. So I put that on the right side. Here on the left, I'm using some antique blue mason jars. I got these out of my grandparents' house last summer. They were cleaning out their house since they've both passed away. Anyways, they were cleaning out the house, and a bunch of the blue mason jars were available, and I snagged a couple of them, and based on the way the logo is etched in the glass, I think one of them is over 100 years old, or close to it maybe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm adding a few yellow and green stems from Hobby Lobby that I've also had for a few years. So there was a kind of before shot of the rest of the living room, and now we're moving on to styling my antique corner cabinet again, quickly just giving it a really quick wipe down to remove all the dust. And then we're going to add some lemon pieces over here as well. At this time, I want to take a little minute to introduce myself. If you're new here, hi, my name is Katey. I am a work from home mom to one little boy. His name is Grant, and he is almost 3. He'll be 3 in August. And I love sharing here on my channel home decor inspiration, cleaning motivation, and a few mom life videos sprinkled in there as well. So if any of those things interest you, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I have so many ideas coming up to share with you guys, and just wait for fall and Christmas because that is when I really get in my groove with decorating. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and give it a thumbs up if you do. So to this 3-tiered corner cabinet here, it's almost like decorating a tier tray. It's very small. On the top tier, I have Grant's latest school picture, and I'm adding 2 of these little wooden lemons. I picked those up in a set of 6 from Home Goods this year. So I'm adding a couple lemons by his picture. The second tier, I have my Ray Dunn clock. I'm going to add some of these farmhouse beads as well to fill in that shelf. And then on the third tier, I have a little floral arrangement that I got at the at-home store a couple years back, a little square sign that I thrifted, and then a yellow vase that came from Hobby Lobby. So here I'm going to start cleaning up the living room area, and I'm dusting the end tables. I still need to find a piece to put on this end table here. I had a piece up there for Easter, and the table got bumped while Grant was playing and actually fell off and broke. It was a ceramic candle holder. So I definitely want to find something for that space that's not breakable. So that is on my Hobby Lobby list for sure. I'm thinking maybe some of those faux little book boxes stacked up there, and then we can keep little things in there as well. So here on the couch, I have some cream and black striped pillow covers. You'll see those to the left and right. Those are from Amazon, and I've been keeping those out just for the like neutral decor, spring, summer, and then I'll switch them out for fall. Here in the corner, I'm adding the blanket and pillow that typically goes on the bench over on the other wall. You'll see what I end up doing over there. I added a lemon theme over there, but I wanted to keep the couch just really neutral and simple. Decided to switch out the candle over here. I previously had a cantaloupe scented candle, And here I'm switching it out to this yellow candle. It's called Summertime. And if you notice the brand on there, it's called Candle Cottage. That is actually a local candle manufacturer. They're located in Sevierville, if you know where that is, over by Gatlinburg area and the Great Smoky Mountains. So a local candle manufacturer if you are in the area. I'm also going to wipe off our ottoman. So this is like a faux leather covered ottoman. It's really great because we do, Grant has his snacks out here. We eat meals out here a couple times a week. On the weekends, we'll just eat dinner out here and watch a movie. But yeah, ketchup gets stuck on this thing. And so if you see me like scraping anything off, that's dried ketchup on the ottoman. So perks of being a toddler mom, am I right? Okay, the last area we are going to be styling today is this wall in between our living room and kitchen. So the bench you see actually matches and goes with our dining table. We keep it in here because our kitchen table has to be scooted up flush to the wall. But we do pull this bench out if we have company over or whatever. And then the wall art you see came from the Hobby Lobby spring shop this year, and they may still have it, so if you're interested, check your stores. But to style the bench, I'm going to add this really pretty beige and cream colored throw blanket I got at Home Goods I think last year, and I'm going to just kind of drape that over the end here. And then the biggest pillow I'm using is one that just came with our sofa. I'm going to use a big gray pillow, and then I'm going to use another one of those $5 Walmart pillows with the Amazon pillow covers to add a little touch of lemons on this side of the room. Okay, you guys, I'm going to share with you some final looks of how our living room and entryway turned out for my summer lemon decor. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video and that it gave you some decor inspiration. I'll see you guys very soon. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up today's video of decorating the living room and entryway with our lemon decor. I really just added a few simple touches in. The entryway looks really great, and then just a couple touches here around the living room to tie the kitchen and the living room together with our summer lemon decor. I really love how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join me here at Kindly Katey. Okay guys, I will see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye!